Hi, welcome to HardReset.info. In this video I'm going to show you how to use noise cancellation if you're wearing only one earbud on your AirPod 3 Pro. So let's use one earbud. As you can see, one earbud in my ear and the second one is in case. Now when I open settings, and here I have my AirPods, and as you can see, place AirPods Pro in both ears to use adaptive audio, and I even don't have noise cancellation feature here. But to fix it, just open settings, then scroll down, find accessibility, scroll down a bit. Here you will see AirPods, click on it, select your AirPods here, and here enable noise cancellation with one earbud. Enable this feature, go back and find AirPods Pro again, and now I can use noise cancellation with only one earpod and second one in the case. Thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful for you, bye, see you!